Hello and welcome back to the English Cookie. In the last video, we learned what sentences are and some basic sentences. Today, we are going to learn more useful sentences to use in your daily life. Before we start, let's quickly remember, a sentence is a group of words that makes a complete meaning. Let's learn some new sentences. Good morning. Can I help you? Please help me. Thank you for your help. I understand. I am thirsty. I am hungry. Excuse me. I am working. I am studying. I will call you later. Bye. See you again. Now let's practice how to introduce yourself. My name is Mohandas. I am from Mumbai. I am 27 years old. I am a student. I can speak English. Now a small tip. Learn 5 to 10 sentences daily and speak them loudly. So today we learned some more useful sentences that you can use in your daily life. Practice these sentences and use them in your daily life. If you like the video, make sure you like and share this video and subscribe to the English Cookie. I will see you in the next video.